Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a creamy cheesy style red sauce pasta without cream or cheese. That's rich, flavorful and absolutely comforting. Let's start the recipe. Start by boiling some water. 1 teaspoon oil. Add half teaspoon salt. Now add 1 cup pasta and boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Always salt the pasta water. It flavors the pasta inside. Now remove from the water and keep aside. Don't overcook pasta, keep it slightly firm for best texture. For the sauce, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 2 garlic cloves. 2 tomatoes cut into halves. 7 to 8 cashews and half teaspoon salt. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Cashews give natural creaminess without actual cream. Peel the tomatoes. Then add 3 tablespoon paneer and 3 tablespoon red capsicum. Cook for 1 minute. Cool down and blend smooth. Blend sauce when cool to keep it silky smooth. In another pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon onion. Three tablespoon green capsicum, 2 tablespoon red capsicum, and 3 tablespoon boiled corn. Season with half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili flakes, and half teaspoon chili powder. Stir well. Red capsicum not only adds sweetness but also bright color. Now add the prepared sauce. Simmer for 1 minute. Corn provides natural sweetness and fiber. Using paneer boosts calcium and protein. Then add the boiled pasta. Cashews add healthy fats and protein. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants. Then add half cup boiled pasta water. Adding pasta water makes the sauce smooth and glossy. Mix and cook for 2 minutes until creamy and delicious. This creamy red sauce pasta is pure comfort food. Try it at home and let us know how much your family loved it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods.